Teck Extreme Director STED Series Fittings. Teck cable fittings are designed for Teck cables, corrugated metal-clad cables, and ACWU cables. The Teck Extreme Director can be adjustable at any angle and can save up to 50% of your installation time. By unscrewing the blue compression nut, you can adjust the director from 90 to 180 degrees and obtain the perfect angle for your installation. To properly prepare the cable, refer to the instruction sheet or watch our video on the installation of the Teck Extreme Series fittings. Once the cable has been prepared, ensure that the outer jacket strip length is equal to the Teck Extreme's gland nut. This method of calculating the portion to be stripped only applies to the Teck Extreme fittings. We now proceed with the installation of the director at a 90-degree angle. First, ensure that the surroundings of the enclosure are unobstructed. Install the director onto the enclosure and secure it with a lock nut that we first manually adjust and then tighten with a screwdriver and hammer. We now can unscrew the blue compression nut to adjust the director at a straight 180-degree angle. Once the angle is adjusted, screw the blue compression nut tightly. Insert the cable through the director into the enclosure and firmly tighten the gland nut. Finally, adjust the director back to the 90-degree angle by unscrewing and screwing the blue compression nut. The installation is now complete. It is fully sealed at the gland nut and in the bend. In case there is an obstruction next to the enclosure, you can unscrew the blue compression nut all the way to the black rubber ring and proceed with the removal of the director's body. You can then insert the cable through the body and firmly compress the gland nut onto the cable. Bend the cable to ease its installation, then pass it through the director's hub and into the enclosure. Secure the blue compression nut one last time, and the installation is done.